In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue that many Wix users face when the anchor feature is not working as expected. Anchors help visitors navigate your site more efficiently by linking them directly to specific sections of your page. However, if not set up properly, they can sometimes cause frustration when they don't take you where you want to go. So let's dive into ensuring these anchors work smoothly and seamlessly. First, let's start by checking whether your anchor is positioned correctly. Open your Wix editor, and once you're there, locate the anchor icon on your page. Anchors should be placed strategically in the section or strip where you want your scroll to stop. This means you need to ensure that the anchor is fixed at the beginning of a specific section, or ideally, close to the content you're trying to highlight. Keep in mind that improper placement can lead to a disjointed and confusing user experience. Next on our checklist is reconnecting your link to the correct anchor. You'll want to focus on the menu items, buttons, or any links that should direct users to your anchor smoothly. Select the element intended to link up with the anchor. Then navigate to your link settings and make sure it aligns precisely with the desired anchor. A quick tip here: making sure the names match exactly as they appear in your list of anchors is crucial to ensure proper navigation. After setting the link, it's important to choose the correct page and the specific anchor name. Go to your link settings, select the proper page, and then pinpoint the right anchor name to establish your connection. Once you've correctly aligned everything, remember to click Done and then save your changes. These actions secure the changes you've made, ensuring they reflect accurately when you test them. Now move on to testing the functionality of your anchors in preview mode. It's essential to understand that anchor scrolling might not function perfectly when you're inside the editor view itself. Therefore, switch to preview mode to experience the navigation as your visitors will. This step will let you see if the links swiftly guide you to the right section, ensuring all is set up properly without any hitches. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fixing your Wix anchors if they're not working. By following these directions, you'll help create a seamless and intuitive experience for anyone browsing through your site. Ensuring your anchors function properly will enhance the usability and overall appeal of your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your Wix site.